What you're looking at here is a fully interactive 3D environment of Mumbai. This was built in Unreal Engine 5, using a combination of drone imagery, satellite data, and 3D architectural modeling. Let's begin at the city level. Here, we're showcasing Mumbai's layout, with interactive markers highlighting key points of interest: residential, retail, cultural, and commercial. Now, as we zoom into Worli, one of Mumbai's most prestigious neighborhoods, you'll notice that every building has been individually modeled and textured. The data isn't just about massing. We've recreated detailed facades, glass reflections, materials, even urban traffic and vegetation. Let's now focus on the star of the show, the Birla Niyaara, a residential development featuring high-rise units and a luxury clubhouse. The project was commissioned by Birla Group, one of India's largest developers. In terms of visual storytelling, the ability to simulate real-time conditions, like lighting changes, time of day, haze, and fog, adds a powerful layer of realism. For this project, we calibrated lighting to mimic exact sun angles and ambient behavior, using real-world geolocation data. This isn't just a tech gimmick. It's an emotional hook that lets potential buyers feel the environment. Every surface, from the glazing on the windows to the rooftop gardens, is built using high-fidelity assets. This enables greater flexibility and allows for detailed showcasing of everything the project has to offer, whether it's adjacent buildings, various amenities, or podiums with commercial and retail spaces. After all, buyers aren't just investing in the apartments themselves, but in the full lifestyle and environment the project provides. Providing a comprehensive, holistic view of the entire project will strengthen buyer confidence and help streamline decision-making, leading to faster and more assured commitments. Aside from viewing the project from any angle and perspective and being able to zoom in and out, we can explore any area from the POV perspective. For example, we can enter the clubhouse from first-person mode and simulate what it's like to walk across the plaza as a resident. Now imagine this adapted to Qiddiya, with branded districts, themed experiences, and a vast city landscape. Our platform can handle this complexity with ease. This is extremely valuable for buyers and investors who are evaluating long-term livability or potential ROI. Because the entire project is meticulously 3D modeled with high precision and detail, virtually any area can be explored from a first-person perspective. This gamified experience not only deepens customer engagement, but also delivers a memorable wow factor that elevates the overall presentation. Additionally, this point-of-view tour can be made fully compatible with wearable VR devices, offering an even more immersive and impactful customer experience. Every visible element, even distant buildings in the background, is positioned to reflect its real-world location, creating a sense of emotional connection and deep immersion. Just as we approach exterior modeling with care and accuracy, we apply the same level of precision and attention to detail to every interior space, ensuring a truly authentic and engaging experience throughout the entire project. Our platform supports 360 degrees tours, VR headsets, and even Apple Vision Pro-compatible versions via a simplified 360-degree scene format. Let's move on to the interactive apartment selector. Users can explore unit availability in real time, apply filters for price, number of bedrooms, or orientation. These filters can be fully customized to align with the specific needs and structure of your project. Furthermore, our platform seamlessly integrates with your CRM system to provide real-time data synchronization, ensuring that availability is always up to date, even when multiple customers are viewing the same building simultaneously. Once a unit is selected, we pull up high-resolution floor plans, metadata, and even live renderings from the unit's actual window direction. As demonstrated earlier, you can even simulate lighting throughout the day to choose units with specific sunlight exposure, perfect for selecting a unit with a sunset view, for example. For this client, we recreated the lighting and reflections exactly as they would appear in real life. This level of realism creates an emotional connection that really enhances marketing impact. And here's where it gets even more powerful. Let's enter the apartment configurator. we've recreated a digital twin of the selected unit based on actual architectural plans. Users can move freely through the apartment, open different rooms, and then begin customizing the space. They can choose furniture layouts, materials, finishes, and decor styles. Everything is configurable, from the kitchen counter to the bathroom tiles. In this example, we've partnered with a real furniture supplier to model their catalog, but this could just as easily be your preferred vendors or in-house design packages. Unlike traditional 360-degree panoramic tours composed of static renderings, our virtual interior tour offers far greater flexibility and interactivity. Not only can furniture pieces be customized, but lighting conditions can also be adjusted to reflect different moods, times of day, or unit orientations. Every element, from colors and finishes to material selections, can be tailored based on your project's options and the customer's preferences. In essence, the only limit is imagination. This powerful feature empowers your customers to visualize their future home in detail and even design their dream apartment in real time. For example, let's take this beautifully designed bedroom and configure it freely to suit any taste or style preference. One of the standout advantages of our platform is its photorealistic visual quality, which makes it a powerful tool not only for engagement, but also for generating high-quality marketing content. Once an interior has been customized, capturing stunning visuals is effortless, allowing you to consistently produce fresh, on-brand content for campaigns, social media, and sales materials with minimal additional effort. All changes are tracked, and once the user is done, a PDF summary brochure is automatically generated, capturing all their selections for download or email. To summarize, L-Touch platform is not just a visualization tool, it's a sales, marketing, and engagement ecosystem. It's built to scale, connect, and bring visionary developments to life.